Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to buy the salvage yards on GTA Online. So at first, just take out your phone pressing the scroll button on your mouse. As your phone pops up, go on the option Internet and just select it. And after that, go on the Money and Services and click on it. And go in the option foreclosures.mizbank.com. And after that, go to the filter and select the salvage yards right here. And after you select it, it only shows the salvage yards. So just select any of the salvage yards you want to buy for yourself. And guys, also you can renovate it and buy it for more price. So guys, that's how you buy your salvage yards on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates to our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.